Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mod Reviewers. Today I'm going to show you how to install Google Play Store on the latest OnePlus 10 Pro on the Color OS. So let's begin. So the first step actually is to go into the app market. From here, we download the Google Chrome first. Let's download. Still installing. Let's wait for a while. As you can see, there's no Play Store over here right now. Okay, there's no Play Store. Built-in doesn't have Play Store for the China Color OS ROM. So now we launch. Okay, no thanks. So now what do? Is we go to the APK Pure. From here, we download Google Play Store. Download APK. So let's wait. Okay, it's done. Very fast. Allow. Install anyway. Done. So now this is the Play Store that we have. Allow. Okay, as usual, let me try to log in my account. More, accept. Okay, so this is the Google Play Store. So every time, the most important thing is to check over here. Settings, about, device is certified. So you do not need to worry about there are synchronization issue with the contact or Google Map cannot be used. No, everything is back to normal. It's just like a normal Android phone that is running on global ROM. So if you want, you can update the Play Store over here as well if you want. If not, basically that's all. Let's take a look if we can find Netflix. Okay, Netflix is here as well, so no issues. So it takes roughly about 4 minutes of your time to just install the Google Play Store. That will be all. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.